So this completes the procedure with the transmission oil change on the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. This is a 4-cylinder, but the same applies to the V6. Now, for those who are also here for the engine oil replacement, we are going to start with the engine oil replacement. Engine oil, my engine oil is very dirty. Just pull the dipstick out a little bit. Remove the crankcase cap. Then we are going to slide under the transmission. All we need is a 3/8 ratchet and a 14mm socket. Engine oil drain plug. Use a 17mm to remove it. Okay, that's loose. Get the container. And our container is well positioned under the drain pan. We are going to loosen that. Still a little tight. Make it loose. Okay. Be ready for the fluid to gush out. Oh, this is still tight. I don't know what is happening with this. Okay, now it's loose. All right. Be ready for this. Okay, and now we're draining our oil. As far as the engine oil filter, it's on the passenger side behind your front wheel. So we are going to drain this. Clean that bolt and put it back when we're done draining. Perfect. You raise your good thing. The location of the oil filter on the side, front driver's side, is for the 3.0 V6. As far as the 4-cylinder, which is the one we're working on, it is very unfortunate. I don't know why they thought about putting this here. See the intake. It's right under this shield. This is the oil filter. It is even hard to show, but I'm going to put that here. This is the oil filter. So you have this shield over here, and right between the shield and the hose, the AC hose, you fit your hand in there, and then that is where the filter is. So put your pen under. This is going to make a mess. I hate this. I did not expect it myself, but I'm gonna have to remove it. So hopefully the person who did this before you did not get it too tight, and then you can loosen it up. I feel like tightening it up is gonna be harder, so mine was pretty loose. Oil is spilling down. It's gonna make a mess. You should have some brake cleaner handy so you can clean the lower control arm and all the area that get dirty from the oil coming out of the oil filter. It's almost loosened up. Oh, I almost dropped it. So I have it in my hand, fishing it back up. And this is the oil filter, okay? So let's go ahead and drain all this, replace the oil filter with our new filter, and fill it up. Okay, this is what we get. Oil is pretty dirty, dirtiest we can get. Actually, my car was saying a lot of "oh my god" right now. If you didn't hear it, I heard it. So now it's time to install the new oil filter. All right, all good, all done. Filter is installed. Tighten up with my hand until it couldn't turn anymore. It wasn't that hard. It was more fear than pain. But make sure if you're going to do this that the engine is cold, otherwise you're gonna get burnt by the shield. Now it's time to fill up. I'm going to drop the vehicle. Remember, we're doing the transmission oil change on the vehicle. Now we're done with everything. We're going to drop the vehicle and then fill up the engine crankcase. Raise the jack, remove the jack stand, and then lower the jack. Okay, remove the jack. Now it's time to fill up. Filling up here. Let's get a funnel. I'm almost done. Use a little bit of brake cleaner and clean the pan. Make it sparking clean until the next use. Now we are going to fill up. We got some Mobil 1 full synthetic, actually advanced full synthetic 5W20 for this Honda Accord. We're going to fill it up. We got our bottle filled up with a gallon of Mobil 1 advanced synthetic. We're just going to fill this up with 4 quart. Remember, we need 4.5 to 5 quart. We'll replace the filter, so basically 5. But since it's in between 4.5 and 5, we are going to fill 4, and then we are going to top off with a quarter, then start the car, then shut it off, then top off, and check on the dipstick until we get right at the level. Now we got 4 in. We are going to measure another quart and top it off. About 1 more quart to fill up. Careful, my hoses, funnel, clean oil, and top it off. This was nearly a quart, not exactly a quart. Okay. All right. Close this. Dipstick. Now we are going to start the vehicle. Start the vehicle.